I'm in the company of Khayakazi Dioka. Hi. You are the chair of CIGRE Women in Energy International. So welcome. Maybe, first of all, could you tell us a little bit about your own history with CIGRE? Why did you join CIGRE at the first place?
Well, firstly, I was introduced to CIGRE as a young engineer because the company where I work in South Africa, ESCOM, has been a collective member for like many decades. And so I got to know about CIGRE, the technical knowledge, everything that you can get from CIGRE. I could get that. So that was the first introduction to CIGRE. And then I came to Paris in 2016 because I was invited to be a guest speaker. And for me, I think that was the beginning of my journey with CIGRE because I think Paris is where CIGRE begins. So I came as a guest speaker, and from that, I basically accelerated. I think my career accelerated within CIGRE. So in 2018, I came back to be a moderator of the Women in Engineering session. And I had also assisted in putting that program together. And from there, I was then nominated to be the chair, the international chair for women in engineering. And this nomination was supported by the steering committee and administrative council. So I started my duties immediately after that. But at the same time, my career within A2 was also, growing. And because within A2 now, I became the strategic advisory group member and the convener of the advisory group on transformer technology. So both my technical and CIGRE women in energy careers, they just picked up within CIGRE. So that's really my journey within CIGRE.
So we see how joining CIGRE for Women can be exciting and an accelerator to the career of a woman. But tell us, now as the chair of CIGRE Women International in Energy International, tell us why we need more women into CIGRE.
CIGRE is big on diversity. I see even when we work on our, technical bulletins, we're looking for diversity from different countries. And so having women in that technical discussion is also an element of diversity, different thinking, and we need more women. We also need more women to be role models for the young engineers. Most women are leaving the engineering space, and so we need more women that are going to stand out, women that every other young girl is going to look up to and associate engineering with women.
What are your expectations for women in energy during this Paris session this year?
This Paris session is actually on something that we also initiated as the Women in Energy, which is Net Zero Initiative. So it talks more about decarbonization, and so I think for us, this is something that we need to be actively involved in. There's a lot that we can extract in, but also the view from women, the impact that this energy transition has on women and the society, and that element needs to come out. So I'm expecting more of it and also more involvement from the women engineers side. So I hope to see more speakers from women engineers. I always encourage women engineers to write papers. So it's actually very good when you see contributions coming from women engineers, because remember, we are trying to role model for all the young women engineers within our technical space.
Eventually, do you have like a message you want to address to women that are among visitors today and all along the week?
To everyone that is visiting, especially women engineers, please get involved, talk to somebody, and get as much information as you can within your technical space, and also the challenges that you're experiencing as a woman engineer. You will be surprised how many of us experience exactly the same challenges, and every challenge has a solution. I believe that if we work together, we will come up with solutions. So be involved, get involved, and who knows, you could be the next international chair.
I like that. Thank you, Khayakazi, for coming by.
Thank you very much for having me.